Hey everybody, this is Max Farrow with Team OCI, Dex Trader, and iMarkets Live. I'm on the phone with one of my best friends and business partners, Amy Kuipers. How you doing, Amy?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So we just got a swipe trades process from our system. I'm showing it on my phone here now on a split screen. I'm going to hit accept. Amy can't see what I'm doing, so please bear with me. It's for the Audi USD. It looks like it's a market entry order with an entry price of 8,000. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in there. Got the file copied. I'm going to just head over to MetaTrader 4 on my phone here. Okay. Audi USD, it was the Audi USD right at 8,000. So I'm going to go back into here. Go here. So I'm going looking for the Audi USD wherever you went to. That little bugger. Okay. Oh, there we go. I got to hit plus. I'm going to go to ECN. Audi USD. There we go. Now that it's added, I'm going to hit back. Back. And there we go. Audi USD. Now I'm going to do a new order. And because it's a market execution, I already have my lot selected, but I need my stop loss and take profit. So I'm going to go back to swipe trades. I'm going to come down to stop loss. Okay, I'm going to hit the copy. Head back over to MetaTrader. Now the box on the left here is always the stop loss side. I'm going to click and hold and hit paste. Look at that. I'm going to go back over to get my take profit now. I'm going to hit copy. So well, that's for the profit number 2. I'm going to take profit number 1. I always take profit number 1, especially in this very beginning part. Come back over. This is how easy it is. I'm going to hold and hit paste. I have now my market execution for to get right into the market. It is a sell. I think it was a sell, right? It was a sell by market. Now, in most cases, if you have a pen, you could write this stuff down, but if you're using your phone, it's easy enough for you to flip back around. I'm using a software to kind of emulate my process here. And there, the order has been open and El Dunno. Look at that. That's how easy it is. Now, we got a couple of trades on. They just started out, and we also have an order limit on. It was that easy with the process. If you want to know how to get on to a program like this through us here at Dex Trader and Our City Investments for the iMarkets Live system, we're training people how to do this and really start making things happen. So hopefully you can get on board. I'm Max, and this is Dex. Amy, thanks a lot for hanging out.
Sure thing.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Trade well.